Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today the crypto market is in a very good state. Everything is in green, especially the AI tokens are taking the lead while meme coins are not very far behind. Other than WIF, everything else is just up. But if you pay attention to Dogecoin's trading volume, you guys can see there's a lot of room for it to still keep going up. Now Dogecoin and Shiba Inu battle it out for the supremacy of the meme coins. Whale activity breaks or backs up Dogecoin's surge even better and breaks the records like crazy. And the rate at which we're growing, we have some big numbers yet to catch up. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Dogecoin. There is more social interaction, more people are buying into it, the price goes up, and we all make a lot of profit. So go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, I just want to show you guys something interesting. So you guys can see Doge looks really small compared to everything else. 1.4%, not a very big jump today, but if you actually go into the chart, you will realize that Doge has been doing very well from the last 7 days. What I mean by that is you guys can see the trend is actually a really strong uptrend. Right now, the reason we are only up 1% today is a lot of whales decided to take profit, which is not a bad thing at all because we need to get rid of those people that don't believe in it the long term. But in the long term, we are obviously going to make a lot of profit. Now, if we talk about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu right now, personally, I feel like there's very little comparison because you don't even need to compare what is happening right now. But if we just compare the trading volume and compare how well they're doing, well, at one point, you guys remember the difference between Shiba Inu and Doge was about $2 billion. And I'm not even talking a long time ago. I'm only talking about 15 days ago. But now the difference is close to 8 billion, and there is 3 other tokens in the middle before Shiba Inu is able to catch up to Doge. Before all of this started, SHIB was around the 14th spot, and slowly it is slipping. Now if we talk about the trading volume, you can see the trading volume is a third of Dogecoin, which shows you perspective in terms of how well Doge is actually climbing after the whole market was able to slow down from the meme frenzy. Now talking about the whales, now the whales are actually backing up Doge really strongly because in the last 30 days, as I mentioned, 600% increase in larger than $1 million purchases or just transactions in general. That shows a lot of whales are waking up. They're trying to figure out what to do with their Dogecoin or want to buy more Dogecoin. The rate at which we are going, as I mentioned, if we just stay above the rate we are in, we will be hitting the next slot, which will be close to $1.27. And it might seem very far, but trust me, the rate at which we're growing, it can happen in less than a month. And that's going to be very good return compared to anything else that you have seen in any other sectors. Now, if we talk about the price action in general, you guys can see the price action is actually doing very well because after we were able to break over the resistance, which is close to 17 cents, now we are in a little bit of a consolidation zone. Is this bad? Not at all, because Bitcoin is trying to also consolidate close to 67, which was its all-time high or previous all-time high. Now it's close to 72. But while it is consolidating, Doge is also consolidating, and it is expected that when Bitcoin actually shows a really good sign of actually making it to the top, Doge will follow very closely behind it, breaking its all-time high, which will be close to 55. You guys know that's going to give a lot of big returns. If we just look at a one-day chart, it will give you perspective as its all-time high is somewhere near 72 cents. Even from where we are right now, that's even close to a 300 or 400x, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very happy to take. But keep in mind, right now breaking the 27 or 20 cent barrier is the first, and the second is going to be close to 26 barrier. After that, there will be a lot of room to grow. Now Dogecoin is on the way up, and as you can see, there is a lot of people on Twitter are also getting very excited. Now if we talk about this whale, I just want to give you guys a little bit of perspective. This whale has been trying to make some profit, but at the same time, just about 3 to 4 days ago, they decided to purchase $4 million worth of Doge. But since then, they have also been trying to make a decision in terms of what direction to take in supporting Doge. And another whale you can see is carrying on the frenzy of buying. I mean, on the 23rd, you guys can see they actually bought 4 times rather than 2 times, which they were doing pretty much from previous days. So what that means is they decided to purchase close to $3 million worth of Dogecoin just in a single day, and then it carried on back to 1.5 million, 900k. Now Dogecoin up 5% in 24 hours. Thank you to social media. As I mentioned, social media plays a very crucial role, not just in meme tokens, but specifically any crypto. The more social media influence they have, the more control they're going to have. More people are going to invest in the crypto, and that's why I always mention I'm one of the only YouTubers who constantly only posts Dogecoin. I'm not saying the only, but one of the only. So if you want more influence, I mean, there's a lot of YouTubers that post Shiba Inu. Well, what we need is we need more people to be talking about Dogecoin, especially in the local news. If we get there and there's going to be, you know, Dogecoin's name on everything, that's going to be pretty much the time when Doge will make the move. And this is a good picture indicating what I'm trying to say. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin, and there is a big Doge that just comes out of nowhere. Now, after all, why not? Why shouldn't I just accept it? This is what the payment option you will be receiving for Dogecoin from other businesses or even smaller businesses very soon. Now, this person, it was a really interesting post. They decided to have a really strong fight with the Dogecoin, and they're like, do you stand corrected? I got heated discussion with ChatGPT about Dogecoin not being unlimited. Now give me a short summary of our conversation, and then he talks about how Dogecoin's maximum supply is just really funny to me. Now Dogecoin is still having an $800 million surge in value amid the Elon Musk's X payment expansion. Now at the moment, you guys know that X payments is still in a really strong verge of wanting to be accepted and wanting to figure out what direction to take. So overall, X Payments is going to be playing a crucial role. If they're able to make some sort of announcement that they're going to be, you know, just becoming a financial hub, that's going to be playing a crucial role. And secondly, we all know 1st of April is going to be a big day because Coinbase is going to be announcing the futures of Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Here's why Dogecoin rallies 40%, beating Cardano, and obviously Coinbase is the reason. 1st of April is going to be a big reason. If Elon decides to tweet about it, you guys know that will become a huge reason. Dogecoin leads cryptos higher in the weekend rally. Look at meme coin technicals. Right now, Doge is leading the charts by quite a margin. Anticipated price surge for Doge and Pepe. Now what else from here? Well, all I can say is the patients are going to win at the end of the day. Whoever decides to be patient and keep the Doge price going up, or you're going to be making a lot of profit. That's all I can say. Top cryptos under 5 cents or 50 cents that you should be purchasing, and one of the big ones being our boy Doge. Just make sure that right now you do not panic sell. If you want to take some profit, go ahead, but in general, make sure you are ready to take this lead. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.